Module 3. Order new or replacement cards. Welcome to the Module 3, Ordering New or Replacement Cards, in the series of Damstra video tutorials. In this module, you will learn how to order a replacement card. There are two ways through which a replacement card can be ordered. Submitted via company portal. Submitted on a manual form and emailed to our service team for processing. First, let's take a look at how to submit the replacement card request using the Damstra company portal. The first step is to log in the company portal. Click Employees tab to view the options, and select Replacement Card Request option. From the list of the employees displayed by the system, select the employee name for whom the replacement card is requested. Next, select the type as replacement card. Also upload the photo if applicable. Further, click the Request Replacement button. Give your consent by clicking on the Accept Terms and Conditions checkbox. In case there are changes in the contact details of the company, you may update the same. After updating company contact information, where applicable, select the delivery method. Proceed with the payment by adding the correct payment details. Please note that purchase orders and payment through credit cards is acceptable. In case you are making payment through purchase order, a copy of the purchase order must be attached to this request form. Purchase orders must contain the attendee's full name and purchase details. Now, let's take a look at how can the replacement request be submitted using a manual form. The first step towards manually requesting a replacement card is to send an email to service@damstratechnology.com to obtain a copy of replacement Damstra card request form. Please fill in the replacement card request form in the following details. Details of the employee for whom the replacement card is requested. Processing fee payment details. Company's postal address, in case the replacement card is to be posted. Fill in all the details and email it to service@damstratechnology.com for further processing. Please note that all the sections and details of the form must be completed for the request to be accepted and processed. For more information, please check our website. Email us at service@damstratechnology.com or call us on 1300 722 801.